Okay, can you tell me your name, please?
Linda Jones,
Linda, where are you from?
Amherstburg, Ontario.
And Linda, tell me now, what kind of problems were you having before you came here for the stem cell therapy?
I had severe pain with arthritis in my knees, everywhere, my arms, hips, my back, and mostly my knee was why I came, because of the pain that was so bad, giving me trouble walking, sleeping, doing household chores, everything.
Okay, and what were you diagnosed with?
Osteoarthritis.
Okay, and like how bad was it? Was it like, did they call it a certain name or anything, or was it, you know?
Oh, I was bone on bone, he said.
Oh, you were bone on bone?
Yeah.
Okay. And then what was your quality of life then?
Wasn't much, because I couldn't do too much of anything. The pain was so severe that I'd walk a few steps, then I'd have to stop and sit if I had, or else I'd sit on my walker, or if there was a bench nearby or something when I was out shopping and stuff. Wasn't sleeping, so I was being tired all the time.
What kind of sleep were you getting at nighttime? Like how long would it last?
Maybe 3 hours maximum, and then that was interrupted with the pain, also having to toss and turn and relocate to try to get the pain gone.
So life was kind of rough then.
It was hard.
How were you able to, let's say, like do yard work and stuff like that?
I didn't do anything. My sister and her husband always did everything for me.
Did. Okay.
My sister even did the house cleaning for me, everything.
Wow. Well, you're lucky to have a sister like
I
that,
am.
that's for sure. And you were taking quite a bit of medication at that time?
Lots of stuff.
Lots of stuff. How was your disposition, would you say? Were you happy? Were you excited to be living?
No, I was depressed. I was on, not just because of this, but I was on antidepressants. I didn't have a social life. I wasn't doing anything, didn't go to movies or anything like that because I just didn't feel like it because of the pain.
Wow. And this has been going on for how long? How many years?
I've had arthritis for 10 plus years.
Okay. Now, you came in here on January 25th of 2018. You received the care. Give me an idea. Has anything changed? And if so,
Everything's
what?
changed. Everything's changed. I'm a new me. First of all, the pain is minimal now. My doctor in March took me off of my fentanyl and my Percocet, which are narcotics. I'm now only taking Motrin. I'm sleeping all night, 6 to 7 to 8 hours even sometimes. I'm shopping and losing weight because I can walk. I've lost 13 pounds since January, which is awesome for me. Both my doctors, my endocrinologist and my family doctor are impressed and excited for me. But the most important thing that I can do, I raked my leaves in my house for the first time in 10 years.
In 10 years?
In 10 years, and my sister and brother-in-law have always done it, and I did it for the first time, and I even surprised myself. And then a neighbor drove by, and she did a Yui with her car because she didn't think it was me, and then she came back to say congratulations to me. So
wow, so the whole neighborhood was aware.
yeah, everybody sees the change because I'm out now, and I'm not in the house all the time, and doing my own everything now.
Fantastic.
Yeah, big difference.
Thank you for sharing that.
You're welcome.
All right, can you tell me your name, please?
My name is Norma.
And Norma, what city are you from?
I'm from Rochester Hills, Michigan.
All right, Miss Norma. So tell me, what kind of problems were you having before you actually came in to see us for the stem cell therapy?
I was in 24-hour-a-day knee pain, and it was greatly inhibiting my activity. I was becoming a couch potato, gaining weight. I didn't want to vacuum. I didn't want to go to the store even or go shopping because my knees were in pain all the time.
So it was both of them?
Yes.
No, had you seen some people before you came in here?
I had surgery on my right knee probably 5 or 6 years ago.
Okay, how'd that work out for
a
you?
meniscus tear.
Mm-hmm.
It was somewhat successful.
Okay.
But was still having pain with the knees. I've been using orthotics in my shoes for years to keep my knees in line right, but that wasn't fixing the problem either.
Okay. And how was this affecting you, let's say, on like a daily basis, things you would like to do, stuff like that? What were you noticing before you came in here?
Well, I was noticing I would avoid things. Like I would avoid going upstairs until I had 4 or 5 things to get. I would avoid getting in lines at the post office. I just couldn't stand there and wait.
Okay.
Now I can.
Any activities you'd like to go through or anything that you would normally do that now you're having to either stop doing it or you'd have to like decrease it or limit it?
Well, I'm walking my dog much farther now, and we walk much quicker, more briskly. And I'm thinking about taking up golf again this spring,
Well, when's the last time you were golfing now?
3 to 4 years ago.
Because of the knee issue?
Because
or?
of the knee issue, yes.
Okay. And so you said you're walking the dog longer. What other things can you do at home?
Well, I'm still not real big on cleaning, but I prepare meals with much more intensity because I could move around my kitchen. Gardening, I had to have a helper with gardening with the digging. I can do that myself now.
How are you doing with stairs now? What was that like before? What's it like now?
I was dragging myself up with my arms, but now I just walk up, even carrying laundry, lots of stuff. It's 100% improved.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much. I appreciate that.